I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. It's missing.
I ate a pig balls before. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Seabourne's Kitchen. I'm your girl Vanessa. So for today's video, I'm gonna make spicy garlic shrimp. Yes guys, I know it's a little bit of shrimp, but you know, at this I have, and a long time I don't post no videos, so I just have to work with what I have. So I already washed the shrimp and dried, so I'm just gonna go ahead and season. I'm gonna go ahead with Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to add the Maggi fish seasoning as well. I don't want too much powder seasoning in this still, so I'm gonna just add that. And we have black pepper, so I'm gonna add crushed red pepper. It's gonna be really spicy guys, really spicy, so add that. Then I'm gonna come in with my homemade blend seasoning. Contains onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper. So just I'll go ahead and give that a little mix. And yes guys, I didn't add any salt because the Maggi seasoning already contains enough salt, and you know I've been watching my salt content, so no more salt for me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let this marinate for some time, and then I'll get back to it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some vegetable oil to the pot. And we're not going to be mean with the oil now because we don't want the garlic to burn. So I think this is enough oil. Then we're going to add the garlic. We're not going to add the garlic to the oil when it's too hot because we don't want it to burn. So add it before it gets really hot, and we'll continue to stir. Ooh. Just continue to stir until the garlic is soft enough. And this is on really low heat guys. You can really smell the garlic coming along. I'm going to go ahead and add some sweet peppers. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimps. So I'm going to go ahead and re-season. I'm going to add some more Maggi fish seasoning, the Maggi fish seasoning. Add some jerk seasoning. I bought it by the pound, guys. Whoa. I'm going to also add some paprika, guys. Some paprika. I'm also gonna add some parsley. Go ahead and stir. Gonna let it cook some more, and then in the next 1 minute or so, turn off the heat and ready to plate.